Good afternoon, Cory.
Good afternoon po, ma'am.
Please introduce yourself.
Hello, ma'am, sir. I'm Cory Castor. I'm 28 years old. I'm a single mom. I have a one son, 3 years old. I'm working in Saudi Arabia. I have a member for 6, 2 adult, and 4 kids, 9 years old. 11, 9, 7, and 1 month.
Okay. How many maids in the employer's house? How many maids in your employer's house?
Only one.
So only you. And how many rooms do they have?
2 rooms.
2 rooms.
For my sir and madam and then son.
Your main duties in your employer's house, Cory?
Duties, cooking, ironing, washing, cleaning, and market.
They have your own room?
No.
Do you cook? How many times do you cook in a day?
1.
1 time only?
Yes.
Are you a good cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What was your employer's comment with your cooking skill?
It's good.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
And why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Cause I good salary, nice country, and I think good people.
Okay. They have a day off in Saudi Arabia?
Sometimes no.
Sometimes no. So, indefinite.
No.
Not every month you have a day off.
No.
In Hong Kong, your employer will provide you a once a week day off, maybe twice, but maybe twice a month or once a month day off only. But the others will be paid off by money. Is that okay with you?
Good.
Any day that they provide as your holiday is okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any relative in Hong Kong?
Yes.
Can you promise your employer not to invite that relative or any newfound friends in your employer's house?
Yes, ma'am.
If your employer in Hong Kong asks you to clean other house, are you going to obey or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
No complaint?
No.
If your madam is always angry, even you have done nothing wrong, what will you do?
I think
Just keep silent
yes, keep silence.
and never argue with your employer.
No.
If a 5-year-old kid, since you have took care of 4 children in Saudi Arabia,
Yes, ma'am.
if your employer's kid asks you to play with you but you're too busy to attend to her, what will you do?
I will play with the kid, ma'am.
You will prioritize the kid.
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any allergies in
No.
foods, drugs, detergent? None. Any food you don't eat? Okay. Do you have any okay. Can you drive? No.
Before.
Do you have any message for your future employer, Cory?
Ma'am, sir, if you choose me to domestic helper, I will promise will be honest, hardworking, and loyalty.
That's all.
That's all.
Thanks for coming.
Thank you, ma'am, and I will see you soon now.